Yeah, I had a YouTuber, one of my YouTubers, asked me to show him how to wire his bicycle headlamp to a dyno hub. It's a rally bike. Basically, there are two little nuts, and you have two little clips on them, which I'll show in the video, and you put them in the nuts and you tighten them up. But if you do the plus and minus the wrong way around, you have to switch them. So you'll know your light comes on, right? If your light doesn't come on and you switch them back and forth on the dyno hub and it's getting a reading, then it's your lamp and your bulb, or a connection in your lamp. So it's pretty straightforward. Also, the hub with the connector shouldn't move at all. It should be the outside rim moving around, and the inside hub should be locked in place by the wheel lock bolt. So, you know, it's pretty basic. Show it on video, and I hope this helps you out with your wiring your bicycle headlamp. Good luck. So I'm making a video on putting your bicycle dyno hub, your light cable on. Now, there should be a plus and a negative here, and I use a multimeter, and I usually test it out first. That's why this one's a little longer and that was a little shorter. And I test it out, or you can put the bulb on and test it out. Switch the wires, and one way it'll work and one way it won't. And you just mark the live wire. The other thing is you can, if you don't have these clips on your hub wires, your light wires, go get yourself maybe a full connector where you got to take the bolt right off and put it on. Or, I'm trying to find one here. Here's one. Get the slide ins that are a little larger than that will fit on there and go right in here like this. See? So that's what you want to do. I have one open here. You can take the plastic off. So you get those on there and you find out which is plus and which is minus. As you can see, I have a longer wire on the plus wire. Now, if you have them the wrong way around, it most likely won't light up at all. Right? And that's all there is really to it. Sometimes bicycle lights are done, the neutral is the frame. But on this one it actually has the double wire here. So I really don't have any issues with that. It's a little hard to get in there. These are actually the original contacts I had. So that's nice. Oh, it's not loosened up enough. A little tighten. Be careful not to over tighten, just hand tight, you know. And this hub is to remain stationary. This hub turns. If this turns at all, you have to lock in your hub properly again. You haven't done it properly. So when you spin the wheel, the outside spins, right? And the inside stays still. And put a clip here and a clip here to stop the cable from going to the spokes. And when you spin it, if you lift up here, see? And I spin it, there's your light. See? No problem. So there you go. The big thing on these is some of them get kind of seized up and then they start spinning. And some bikes I used to have a piece where you locked it onto here, but this actually locks itself. This rally is designed that way. So that's all there is to it. Now if it doesn't work and you flip the wires and you're getting readings from your multimeter off of this, change your bulb and check your wires in your light up here. Check your wires in your light and see if there's a loose connection, or your bulb, switch the bulb. Now the rear light comes off of the headlamp inside. There's only one wire coming to this main light. This is connected to the wires coming in, and goes off to the rear light. So it doesn't have to go down to the hub. So there you go. That is the wiring for your bicycle, the old style hub wheel. Hope this helps.